Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you win the challenge and earn great rewards. How to play Centurions daily challenge in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused. How you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get a ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started. So every new event there is new challenge, like daily challenge or the weekend challenge. And in this case, the Centurions event, there are two daily challenges that you can play. But before that, you can tap quest button and tap this Centurion quest. So there is a task that you can complete. You must play 15 Centurions challenge. So guarantee reward 100,000 coin and also 100 scout point. You can tap go button to directly into Centurions daily challenge. As you can see, there are two daily challenges that you can play, and of course in the weekend there is weekend challenge, Centurion weekend challenge. So in this case, this is the Centurions daily challenge. There is a minimum lineup is 65 OVR to entry this a daily challenge. Tap to entry. So in this a challenge of Centurions daily challenge, there are two skill games that you can practice in the quarterfinals and in semifinals. And also in the final match, you are going to play game match, not a skill game again. So mixed fashion player, this is guaranteed reward for you if you become champion in this Centurions daily challenge. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.